All right, so part 3 of the home renovation program. So let's go over some of the other basics as far as to, hey, why is this program such a great program for most borrowers, right? People that want to renovate the property. So technically, if you buy a home and it needs some TLC, this is the ideal program. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It said that most borrowers that purchase their first home already invest anywhere from 24 to 35,000 right off the bat because they're trying to do some type of renovation to make it up to par to their standards. So this program, guess what? You're going to finance all the costs and you're going to be able to, guess what? Turn it into your dream home. So that's pretty amazing. Be able to turn your dream home in a matter of 6 months, right? So that's awesome. The other thing is number 3 is no renovations or repairs are completed before the loan closes. So you don't have to renovate this property during the first 60 days of escrow because that's when you're trying to close. Remember, it's all based off the future value. So once you close, once your escrow period is over, within 60 days, you have 6 months to complete the project. So that's pretty amazing. Also, the other factors are why people like this program is because it's conventional for conventional borrowers. FICO score is relatively really low, 620. LTV can be up to 97% for conforming loan standards. You can include luxury items into your renovation. And a lot of sellers don't like the 203K FHA loans because they've heard bad things about it and they've also had bad experiences with it. So this could definitely be the difference between you getting an offer accepted or not getting accepted, right? And getting your dream home. So again, this is Cesar with Chatham Mortgage Partners. Shoot me an email, Cesar Team Chatham. I'd love to hear more about your scenarios or questions. Thank you.